Hi friends, my name is Durga Prasad. Today we will discuss a few things, a few shortcuts which are useful to solve your simplification and approximation questions of your banking examinations. So see here multiplications we will learn multiplication with 5, multiplication with 25 and multiplication of any two numbers which are near 100 and how to find out percentage of any number, how to calculate it very easily. We will discuss these things. First one, multiplication with 5. If any number is multiplied with 5, so we are taking multiplication with 5, that is a by 2 into 10. Both are same because 2 is cancelled here 5 times. So a into 5 itself, a into 5, it means there is no difference. But the approach is different. In case you are having 48 into 5 is there anywhere, you want to do the multiplication. No need to do the multiplication. No need to do the multiplication like 48 into 5, 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 is here. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24. Don't do this multiplication because it will take extra time while you are solving the big values. So here this value is equals to 48 by 2 into 10 you can do it. 2 here cancel 24 times. 24 into 10 is 240. For example, 144 into 5 is there. So 144 by 2 into 10. So 2 here 72 times cancel. Then answer is 720. Sir, if the number is not divided by 2, what we will do? Nothing. Very simple trick here. Even numbers are always divided by 2. When odd number divided by 2, you will get 0.5 value, right? 0.5 value, right? So I'll explain it to you. That is, for example, you are having 43 into 5. 43 by 2, write it into 10. 2 how many times cancel? 2 times and 1.5. 21.5 into 10. That is 215 is the answer. We'll apply the same thing for the big calculations also. Like big calculation in the sense a big number is given to you. A big number is given to you. That is 189 into 5 is that. Nothing. 189 by 2 into 10 is this value. 2 9 times cancel. After that in 9 4.5 times cancel. 94.5 into 10, that is answer is 945. Answer is 945. So the way we are doing the calculations, after learning this method, you will not multiply any number with 5 on the papers. Like you are having, for example, you are having a number here, 208 into 5 is there. Half it, 104, put a 0 here because you are multiplying that 104 into 10. For example, 484 is there, you are multiplying with 5. Then what you will do? You have to make it half, 242, and you have to multiply with 10. That means 2420 is the answer. Another example we will discuss. See this thing. For example, any value which is multiplied with 5. 437 into 5 is there. So first make this value as half. Half means in 4, 2 times. In 37, 18.5. But if you are multiplying with 10, this point will not be here, right? Then your answer is 2185. Your answer is 2185. Is that clear, friends? Okay. We'll discuss one more type of multiplication here. This is also very easy. But before going to this value, that means before going to multiplication, I'll tell you any number which is multiplied with 5. What we are doing here, a by 4 into 100. A by 4 into 100. That means you are dividing that number with 4 and multiply with 100. Very simple value, I'll take it here. That is 36 into 25. 36 into 25. Instead of multiplying these two numbers, so try to use this trick. Try to use this trick. That is 36 by 4 into 100. Don't cancel 4 here. Don't cancel the 4 here in 100. Cancel the 4 in this 36, 9 times. 9 into 100 is what? 900. 9 into 100 is 900. Let me take you another example. I'll take here 144 here into 25. What you will do? 144 by 4 into 100. 144 by 4 into 100. This is 3 times. Remaining 24 in this 24 6 times. Then answer is 3600. So maybe you are having a doubt like this. Sir, every number will not be divided by 4. Of course, it is not divided by 4 every number. But for your understanding purpose, I will take here 16 by 4. What is the value? 4. 17 by 4. What you will get? 4.25. 18 by 4. 4.50. 19 by 4. 4.75. 20 by 4. Again 5. So reminders. Here reminders. What are the reminders here? Reminder is 1. That's why you are getting 0.25. If reminder is 2, 0.50. If reminder is 3, 0.75. That is 1 by 4, 0.25. 2 by 4, 0.50 you have to write. If it is 3 by 4, what you have to write? 0.75. That's it. 4 by 4 in the sense you will get exact number. You will get an exact number. So see this value here. For example, 89 into 25 is there. 89 into 25. 89 by 4 into 100. Cancel this number. Cancel this number. How? 4 cancel. 4 how many times cancel? 2 times. In 9 also 2 times. But 1 is remainder, right? Whenever you are having 1 is remainder, what you will get? 0.25, right? 0.25. So your answer is 22.25 into 100, 2225. Answer is 2225. Observe this. I'll take a big number here now. I'll take a little bit big number. Then you'll understand better by seeing that number. For example, 258 into 25. 258 by 4 into 100. 258 by 4 into 100. So here 258 by 4. 4 cancel in 25 6 times. 6 4s are 24. Remaining is what? 18. Remaining is 18. In the 18 4 times. Remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. 2 is coming, then 0.50 you have. Or 0.5 also you can write. 64.50 into 100. 6450 is the answer. 6450 is the answer. So let me take you another example. For example, you are having a number like this. 239 into 25. What you will do? 239 by 4 into 100. Just do this calculation, divide with 4. 4 how many times cancel? 5 times cancel. 4 5s are 20. Remaining is 39. In 39, 9 times because 9 4s are 36. Remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Then what you will write? 0.75. Then your answer is 5975. 5975. 5975. Is this clear? So here this concept, multiplication of two numbers near 100. Multiplication of two numbers near 100. So I am taking a number here. 97 is multiplied with 92. 97 is multiplied with 92. These two values are very near to 100, very near 100. So subtract 97 minus 100. 97 minus 100. What we'll write here? Minus 3. 92 minus 100. 92 minus 100. Minus 8. 92 minus 100 minus 8. Here, friends, I am doing this one in two parts. These are initial digits. These are last two digits. How you will get last two digits means by multiplying minus 3 and minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 8. These are last two digits. 3 into 8 is what? 24. Minus into minus is plus 24 you will write. Initial digits, how you will get? You have to do it cross like this. Either 97 minus 8 or 92 minus 3. Anything you can take. Any one you can take. Any one of these two values. So 92 minus 3 is what? 89. So 97 into 92, what you will get the answer is 8924. 8924. I hope you understand this one. I'll explain it to you again. I'll take another example. 95 into 98 I am having, for example. Then these values are near 100. How many values? Minus 5. Here what you have to write? Minus 2. So last two digits. Minus 5 into minus 2. Multiply it and write here 10. And initial digit. How you will write? Initial digits. Either 95 minus 2 or 98 minus 5. That is 93. Answer is 9310. So in between, you can say this method which is useful in which cases? 80 to 120. Any two numbers is given. Any two numbers in between 80 to 120. So you can do that calculations very easily by using this method. That's why I'm discussing this one. For example, 95 into 87 is there. What you will do? This is minus 5, minus 13. Last two digits, initial digits you will write. So basic calculations you require to answer this question. Minus 5 minus 13, multiplication is 65. 87 minus 5, otherwise 95 minus 13. Anything is same. 87 minus 5 is 82. Otherwise 95 minus 13 is also 82. The numbers are more than 100. That is 105 into 109 is given to you. What we will do? This is plus 5. This is plus 9. Last two digits here. Last two digits here. 9 and 5 is multiplied. 9 5s are how much value? 45. After that, crossly we have to do like this. Either 105 plus 9 or 109 plus 5. 114. Answer is 11445. For example, 108 into 103 I am having. Plus 3 plus 8. 8 3s are 24. 108 plus 3 is 111. For example, 107 into 115. What will do? Plus 7 plus 15. But by multiplying 15 and 7, 15 into 7, we'll get 105, right? But you required only last two digits only. That is 05 here. Carry is 1. Carry is 1. So 107 plus 15 or 115 plus 7. 115 plus 7. Anything. Any one you have to take. 122. But 1 is carry. 123. Answer is 12305. Sir, you said first case that is less than two numbers which are less than 100. And second case you have taken more than 100, two values you have taken. But what about one value is less, one value is more? There is no difference. The same method will be applicable here. 97 into 105 is there. What we will do? This is minus 3. Why? Because 97 minus 100 you have to do. Don't write plus 3 here. Are you understanding this one? I think you are following it. Then this is minus 3. This is plus 5. Last two digits is 5 into 3, 15. But minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Then minus 15. Initial digits, how you will write? 97 plus 5 or 105 minus 3. Anything is same. Anything is same. 97 plus 5 is 102 or 105 minus 3 is 102. Your answer is 10185. How this is happening, sir? Actually, we are writing 102 here. This is not actually 102. Then how much it is? 10200 actually. Minus we are subtracting 15. Sir, how this happens? In the previous cases also, you are having 8924 in initial cases. One answer is 7924 or 8924. One answer is 89 here and we are writing 24 here. Actually, these are not two different parts. 8900 is this value and after that we are adding 24 because the value is plus. That's why 8924. If it is minus 24, what we will do? 8900 minus 24 we will do. That is 8876 you will get. Are you following it? The reason behind it is this one. Then here also answer is same. What we have to do is 10200 minus 15, 10185. Sir, I have to write these things means no, not required. See simply see this one. From 102, we are taking one value. I hope all of you are aware about subtractions. From 102, one value we are borrowing. This one is treated as how much value means 100 because from the hundreds place you are taking one value, that's why you are treating as 100. 100 minus 15 is what? 85. 100 minus 15 is what? 85. You have already taken one from 102, then 101 is remaining. I'll explain it to you again. No problem. 95 into 108 I am taking. This is minus 5, this is plus 8. What we will write here? Last two digits, minus 40. 95 plus 8 or 108 minus 5. 108 minus 5. That is 103. Take one borrow. That means remaining number is 102. Then this one is treated as 100. I told you because we are taking near 100 values. 100 minus 40 is 60. Answer is 10260. So next one, percentage calculations made easy. How I'll do it? Percentage. What is the meaning of percentage? Percentage means per 100. That is 1 upon 100. In terms of numerical value, 1 upon 100. Actually, this one is percent. Cent meaning is 100. Cent meaning is 100. Per 100 we are taking. Per 100 we are taking. For example, you are having 2500 here. You want to calculate 50% of it. You will not think much and you will not take pen and paper to find out this value also. 50% of 2500. 50 by 100 into 2500. After that 52 times cancel. 2 here 1250 and you will say 1250 after calculating it. No. In your mind itself, you will do this calculation because you know 50% meaning. 50% meaning is what? Half. 50% meaning is what? Half. That's why you can do it easily. In the same way, you have to do the another type of calculations also. Sir, how we will do another type of calculations also? For example, 44% of 650 you are having anywhere. What we will do? what we will do? Generally, people will do 44 by 100 into 65. That is 650. 0, 0 cancel, sir. 5 cancel 2 times, 5 cancel 13 times. 2 cancel 22 times. 22 into 13. We'll do the calculation like this. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 6, 8, 286. But is this much of calculation is required? I'll say directly, this much of calculation is not required. This much of calculation is not required. Because you can do better. Because all these tricks you are learning to make it simple. To make it simple. Don't do it harder like this on papers. Because every one of you know 10% of any number. 10% of any number. I'll discuss it. For example, 2500 is given. What is 10% of this value? Number is this one. 10% of number. 10% of number. 250. Because you will put a 0 here, a point here. You will put a point here. Then your answer is 250.0. That means it is nothing but 250. If the number is 3520, in this 10% is what? 352. Because just you have to put a decimal before this point. What about 2585 is there. 2585 is there. 10% is what? 258.5. 258.5. I hope you understand this one. I'll explain it to you again. Again, number, 10% value, 10% of number, 50% of number. If you do these calculations, then you can do everything. You can do everything. For example, number is 2600. 10% is what? 260. 50% of number is what? In this number only 50%. In this number only 10%. 50% is what? Half of the value, 1300. Right? Are you following it? Okay. I'll take an example. Number 50%, 5%. 10%, 1% of the number. For example, number is 2600. 50% is what? 1300. 5% is what? Don't think more. 50% is 1300. 5% means this 0 is not there, right? That is 130. Are you understanding this point? 130, because 0 is eliminated, 0 eliminated. 10% of number is what? 260. 1% is what? 26. Let me take another example. 4840 is there. 50% of the number is what? Half of this value. 2420. 5% is what? 242. 10% of this number is what? 484. 1% is what? 48.4. Because you will put a point. 10% is 484. 1% is what? This 10 will go to this side and it will divide 484. 484 divided by 10. That is 48.4 only. That means you are adjusting a decimal. That's it. Don't think more. 5625 is there. 5625 is there. 2812.5. Because half, 50% means half. 50% means half. That's why you are taking half of this value. Are you following? Half of this value, 56 half is what? 28. 25 by 2, 12.5. You know that. 5%. This point will be adjusted to this side. Is this clear? 281.25. 10% of this number, 562.5. 1%. This point will come before 2. That is 56.2. 56.2. See this one, 44% of 650 is there. How we will do the calculation? Very easy. Very easy. Don't do the calculations like this. 44 by 100 into 650. 0 cancel. 5 2 times cancel. 5 13 times cancel. 222 times cancel. 22 into 3, 13. 22 into 13. 6, 6, 2, 2, 286. Answer is 286. This much of lengthy calculation is not required. With the help of 10 percentage, in this 10 percentage is what? 65. This is 10 percentage. But what you required here? 40 percentage plus 4 percentage. 10 percentage you already knew. Then multiply with 2, multiply with 2. Because why it is 2? Why it is 2? Why it is not directly 4? Because your mindset will be like this. 65 into 4, you will feel trouble. But 65 double it, anyone is saying, then you can do it very easily 130. Again double it, 260. Are you doing it in your mind, right? Right now. Same thing I am saying. So you will feel mathematics is very tough. No, it is not tough. Calculations are tough. Doing calculations are tough. Don't think mathematics is tough. Because always I'll say this thing to my students, always. Mathematics is not tough. Only doing calculations is tough. That's why you are learning these tricks. 65 double it, 130. Double it, 260. So 260 plus 26. So 286. I hope you are understanding. For example, 45 percentage of 840 you are having. 840. You know 50 percentage of this value? Yes, you know that. 50 percentage is what? 420, sir. 5 percentage is what? 42, sir. If you are subtracting, are you getting the answer? Yes. 420 minus 42. Are you understanding my point? Yes. 378. Answer is 378. Is that clear? Yes. If you are learning this type of tricks, you will feel like, yeah, I'm getting mathematics. Yes, yes. These calculations are very easy. Very easy. For example, if it is 52 percentage of 6, 52 percentage of 850. Take 50 percentage of this number. 50 percentage means what? 425. 50 percentage is what? 420. Is this clear? Plus 2 percentage. 2%. What is 1 percentage? 8.5. 2 percentage means double. 17. 425 plus 17, 442. For example, 65 percentage of 65 percentage of 65 percentage of 640 is there. How you will do it? We'll calculate 50 percentage, sir. Okay, good. Next 10 percentage, sir. Yes, 5 percentage, sir. You knew these things always. 50 percentage, 320, sir. 64, sir. 32, sir. You have to add them. 320, 64, 32. 320, 64, 32. This 64 and 32, you can do it 96. 320 and 96. Make it 100. You will do better calculation. 320, 100, 420. Minus 4 is 416. Are you understanding this? Don't write again 320 plus 64 plus 32 like this. Don't waste your time by writing all these things. Addition is also very easy. You know 2 numbers addition. That is 2 digits addition. That is enough to add any type of numbers. Five plus 7, you know 12. 50 plus 70 also you know 120. Then 57 plus 75 is how much value? 132. So how much fastly we are doing it? Because you know 50 and 70, 120. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. 120 plus 12 is what? 132. You knew this thing, but for 57 and plus 75 you are writing on a paper, then it is not good. Try to do the calculations in your mind. Okay, for example, 75 percentage. I will calculate 75 percentage calculations. See this one, 75 percentage of any number. 840 is there, for example. You know 50 percentage? Yes, sir, 420. 25 percentage? Yes, you know that half of this value, 210. Total 630, right? Are you following it? 75 percentage of a number. That is your wish. That is your wish. Any number you can take. Any number you can take. For example, I am taking 680. 50 percentage is what? 50 percentage is what? 34, 340 plus 170. Then answer is 510. Are you getting this? 75 percentage of anything. That is your wish. 84 I am taking. Only 84 I am taking. Okay, don't take 84. Take 112. 50 percentage, 25 percentage, you know that. 50 percentage is what? 56. 25 percentage is what? Half of this value again. 28. 56 and 28. 50 plus 20, 70. 6 plus 8 is 14. 84. Answer is 84. 50 plus 20, 70. 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. That is 84 is the answer. For example, 85 percentage of 640 is there. Don't do the calculation 50 percentage plus 25 percentage plus 10 percentage. No. 100 percentage minus 10 percentage minus 5 percentage is better. 100 percentage is what? 640 minus 64 minus 32. I told you this is 96. Make it 100. Subtract 100. And add 4. And add 4. 540 plus 4. 544. Are you getting this? Thank you. But do the calculations. That is, do the additions and subtractions in your mind, not on papers. Then you'll feel maths is very easy. Otherwise, you'll feel always. Maths is, we are not getting these values, that values. No, you will get it easily. Even I am getting the calculations. Why not you? You can do better than me. I hope you understand these concepts. If you are getting interest to do the mathematics or to do the calculations or to learn the shortcuts and tricks, please follow my channel. That is Quantitative Aptitude by Durga Prasad. And like it, share it to your friends also. Thank you. Thank you very much.